Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video. I want to introduce you to Freddy the Frog. I crocheted some little overalls for her, and I have some overalls as well, so we get to match. And that made me think it would be fun to use my scrap yarn to crochet things for Freddy that I've crocheted for myself. So just mini versions of things that I've crocheted. So today we're crocheting a wardrobe for Freddy to match mine. So the first thing we're gonna make is this crochet version of a Sophie scarf. This is gonna be simple and just a good way to spruce up Freddy's current outfit, I think. I'm gonna make my coffee and then we're gonna get started on Freddy's little neck scarf. Yay!
Sally called me on the phone. She said her boss.
So the first attempt did not quite go according to plan. Too short. Which I don't know how I didn't know before I finished it off. If I had, I could have unraveled it, but the ends are woven in. There's nothing I can do about it, so I'm starting a new one. Actually made a lot of progress on the new one already, and I just think this time it's gonna work. But I actually have to go. For those of you who don't know, I'm also a singer-songwriter, and I was asked to be featured on a song for a friend of a friend. I've never met them, but I think it's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna go record the vocals really quickly, just for one verse and some harmonies. So it shouldn't take too long. And I would bring y'all, but this is new territory for me, and so I do vlogs recording my own songs with my producer who I know really well, but I kind of just want to walk in and seem very focused. But I'll let y'all know how it goes. So I'm gonna go do that, go sing for a little bit, and then come right back, get back to work with Freddy, because she needs her scarf. It's getting chilly, so we'll be back soon. Yay! Okay, I'm back from recording now. To you, it's like no time has passed though. But it was so much fun. I'm excited about this song. It's very fun and happy. And yeah, it was fun. It was very quick. It was like an hour and we were done. So I've already gone ahead and finished Freddy's Sophie scarf. Now for a little try on moment. Oh, this one fits. Look at her. She's so cozy now. Yay. Okay, so project one. Done. So now I think I want to do this poncho I made. This is the mermaid poncho. And so I have a tutorial for it. I'll link below. But for this version, I did mohair, and instead of I did more double crochets. I did less gaps, and I can't remember the exact mathematics of it. But if you really want to know how I did this one, you can ask me in the comments. But the other one, the tutorial, it's like the same thing, just with bigger gaps. So I'm gonna make the blue version with my leftover mohair yarn for Freddy. So I'm gonna go grab that yarn, and I kind of want to go to my favorite coffee shop down the road. It's like 1 o'clock, so it's getting to that point where I'm trying not to have caffeine later in the day, but I don't know. I just want more coffee. Maybe I'll get it half calf, and then I won't feel as bad about it, just because I don't really notice the effects of caffeine, but I'm worried subconsciously my sleep is worse. So I'm trying to do better. So let's go to my favorite coffee shop down the road. I love this coffee shop. They're so sweet there. I've done pop-up shops there before with my crochet stuff, and it's the cutest coffee shop. It's been in a lot of my vlogs before, so maybe you'll recognize it. But yeah, let's walk to the coffee shop.
I'm a little nostalgic, what can I say? Wishing for simpler days. Summer spent on playground swings or splashing around in the creek. My parents took good care of me, my sisters kept me company. We never needed anything, and I'm so grateful for everything. And if I want to go back, I turn on my childhood soundtrack. Mine sounds like Willie Nelson playing on a 60s radio station, driving down I-35, happy just being alive. If I want to relive those days, I grab a record and just hit.
And here's Freddy in her new poncho. Look how cute. I kind of like it worn this way. Like this way, it's kind of fun. Ooh, she's stunning. Well, the last thing I think I want to make her is using probably more of this yarn. I want to make her a granny square hexagon sweater because she doesn't have a sweater yet. So I think that's the final thing we have to do. So let's make her a little sweater. I've made a yellow one before. It was different yarn, but it was also a Karen cake. This is a Karen cloud cake. That one was a Karen latte cake. So she'll still kind of match me because mine's yellow. So let's make her a little granny square hexagon. Start again.
Let's sing our blues away on a beach right by the bay. It's way more fun to cry when there's an ocean right outside. Leave your worries and your fears, they won't follow us down here. Let's drive until we hit the closest pier, someplace where the coast is clear. You can't run into your ex or that neighbor you detest when you're...
And here she is. Look how cute her little cardigan is. Now she'll be nice and warm for the winter. And look, we're matching. Yeah, and now the sun is setting, so we're losing the good lighting for this vlog. Yeah, it might be time for me to call it a day. But thank y'all for joining me as we crocheted Freddy the Frog's new wardrobe. She's so thankful. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. Stay tuned for more Freddy the Frog content. I am hoping to build a little house for her. I have one of those little like bookshelf nook things, if you know what I'm talking about. And I've gotten her some like a rug and things, but she needs a couch. So stay tuned for me to put all of that together. I'm super excited about her little home. So if you did enjoy this vlog, be sure to like and subscribe. I have lots more crochet content on my channel where that came from. Tutorials, vlogs, business advice, all that stuff. I hope I see you next time. Bye.